Hello, everyone! Here is the official diagnostic tool for Mercedes Benz C6. And this is the original used one. The VCI kit includes the VCI OBD cable and the USB cable. And this VCI kit can diagnose, do coding, programming. It also can check the module circuit diagram, and so on. And this VCI supports the passengers, vehicles, and also supports the truck. And it is the software for C6. It's Zentry. And the VCI kit is not including the computers. If you need to install the software on the computer, please feel free to contact us, and let's introduce the software. First software is Diagnostic Software XENTRY Diagnosis. Open the software it's running. Click Log in directly. We can check many functions here. Choose the car model while diagnosing corresponding car models like a class. It will also connect automatically. If we've just replaced a new EZS, enter VIN here directly to diagnose. Next, the second software diagnosis stop. The software can exit automatically. For example, if our software is stuck or we don't need to use the software anymore, double-click Diagnosis Stop. This software can quickly shut down our Zentry. This software config assist can set our diagnostic kits, a registered software. This software can set our VCI kit. The left is for C6. If your kit is the old version, C4, you can choose the right one. Let's look at C6. Then we can see the registration validity period here. It starts from January 14, 2025 and ends till January 14, 2027. Send us hardware identification code to register again when expired. The fourth software is the VCI Manager. We'll skip the introduction for this part, as it connects neither vehicle nor VCI currently. Next, FBS4, which is used for ordering the keys by manufacturer. In Help, we can obtain the operation assistance of software and VCI, all in PDF format. These two are our engineering software. The red one is DTS Monaco 8.16. which is used for programming and coding. Another one is the newer DTS 902, which is specifically needed for programming W223, W206 modules such as 48 volts batteries or engine control units. The main function of with ASRA standalone is to check wiring diagrams. Enter VIN here, or the chassis number, such as W222, W165. Wiring diagrams can be accessed. WebATM is a query software for wiring diagrams too. Here is a list of car models. Check the corresponding car model and you will get what you need. If you want to know the specific location where this module is installed in the car, from this index, just pick one at random. A1 represents its dashboard. We can see the specific location on the right side. It's easy to find the specific location for the modules that have been installed in the car, including even smaller components like this switch. It's really easy to find them. This is the Vediamo software. It's similar to DTS, but this is used for older car models. It can be used to do coding and programming, such as ME 9.7 or the 720.9 VG's 3neg2 TCU. These all can be reprogrammed and recoded with this one. However, for new cars, DTS is needed.